Hello guys. Okay, third pick na tayo guys. Let's go. So third pick. Let's go guys. Malapit na. Whew. 2 PM tayo kay Sharp Peak. Sharp Peak. Lantaw Peak. Hello guys. Third pick natin guys to 3 PM. So 2 PM tayo kay Lantaw Peak. So ito yung ano niya, view. Yun. Narating natin. Wala na yan siguro view. Wala na. Ito na yan siya. Wala siyang trigo. Yan guys. Yan ang view guys. Malaking bato lang siya. Walang trigo. So Lantaw Peak 2 PM. So dito is 3 PM guys. So thank you guys. Thank you.